Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Mother Smita. Let's wait for everyone to join in and then we'll begin with our class. Good evening, Khushi. Good evening, Sayanti. So today also we'll be discussing general aptitude questions, right? So, good evening, Shana. We have already covered 2 classes of general aptitude questions. Please make sure that you are watching that, and we have 50 plus free classes available on YouTube for you to revise properly for the upcoming examination. Okay, so let everyone join in and then we'll be beginning with our class. Today we'll be discussing few new concepts. Okay, so please make sure that you are participating in the class and being there till the end of the video. Okay, so before starting, if you're new to the channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Also make sure that you download our application. It is available both on the Android as well as on the iOS devices, right? We have our own website. You can just search botanyinsider.com. You'll be able to explore our complete website as well. So this is the practice session going on for you all, live session, early morning 8:30 to 10. On daily basis we are solving previous year questions in the class. If you are finding any difficulty and if you are finding any problem in solving out the questions, you can download our app and get yourself enrolled in this. It's available in very affordable prices. So please make sure that if you wish, you can join in here, right? In addition, we also have the crash course where we are having our second cycle of revision going on. So you can join in this particular course as well for revising the complete theory. Okay. So this is the very first question, a new concept. So question is saying, in how many different ways can you write down or can you rearrange the word CHANCE, chance? How can you, or what are the number of various ways in which you can arrange it? Okay, take your time, read it properly and then mark the answers in the chat section, everyone. It's very simple. If you know the concept behind it, you will be able to solve it. Okay, give it a try and then I'll explain you the complete concept behind the same. Okay, everyone mark the answer quickly. It's a simple concept. Then I'll explain the concept to you. Okay, so let's see. The question is saying we need to find out the number of ways in which we can arrange the word chance. So CHANCE, there are 6 digits in total and there are like C is getting repeated twice. So how to solve this question? Just write down 6 factorial, that is the number of digits, divided by the digits which are getting repeated. So C is getting repeated 2 times. So 6 factorial upon 2 factorial. Okay. So 6 factorial means what? Any number which is having factorial in front of it, that means you need to simplify it up till the value 1. So 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is 5 factorial. So what is 6 factorial? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 upon 2 factorial, right? Just cancel out and just solve out this particular thing. It is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3, right? So 6 5s are 30 and 30 into 12. So what is it all about? The answer for this is 360. C is the correct answer for this particular question. So this is how these type of questions are solved. Okay, give it a good understanding. If you find the concept clear, then I'll give you few more questions related to the same concept. Okay, three of you were able to mark the answer correctly. Very good. And those of you who marked the answer incorrect, I am expecting that now the concept is clear to you, right? Should I give you few more questions of the same format, everyone? Because in the examination there are chances you can get. This one is also previous year question, and in the further examinations also there are chances that you might get a question related to this concept. And it's a very simple and a very easy concept to apply. Clear? Okay, let me give you few more questions related to the same thing. Okay, now try to find the answer. What are the number of ways in which you can mark or in which you can rearrange the word, let's say, what word? Pencil. Try to write down all the possible combinations, the number of possible combinations for the word pencil. Write down for the first one, everyone. Pencil. Done, everyone? Great. So let's look into this. So because there is no repetition of the word, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, just write down 6 factorial. So 6 factorial is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30 into 4 3s are 12 and then 2. So 30 into 12 is what? Like 12 3s are 360 into 2. So it is equal to 720. Correct. Answer is 720 itself. Understood? Sayanti, I guess you have did some mistake in the solution of the same. Okay. Now everyone try out this particular word. Correct. CORRECT. Think about how can you solve this particular question. In this also you will have to find out the number of ways in which the rearrangements or the number of arrangements that are possible for these letters. Give it a try, everyone, for this question now. Okay, you are writing out for the correct. Okay. Yes, for this, how to solve this question? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yes, Sayanti, I have read it. So 7 factorial upon C is getting repeated twice, so 2 factorial multiplied by R is getting repeated twice, so 2 factorial. So now solve it. 7 into 6, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 upon 2 into 1 multiplied by 2 into 1. So 1, 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. Then this and this gets cancelled, right? Just solve it out together. 7 3s are 21, 21 into 5 4s are 20 and into 3. So 21, 4, 20 into 3. So 4 3s are 12 plus 60. The answer would be 1260. Correct answer for this particular question is 1260. Okay. So how many of you used calculator for this particular calculation? Just tell me honestly, everyone. How many of you used calculator for this? Or took time for solving it out, even if you did it on pen and paper? How many of you took more than a minute for this calculation? Let me know in the chat section and be honest. Yes. You used calculator for this, Sayanti? For this calculation? Others also, be honest and let me know. No calculator, okay. But you took more than a minute or 40-50 seconds for this. See, over here there's a concept of mental maths, or we can also call it as the Vedic maths, okay. Even I am not a very big, I don't have ample amount of information regarding the Vedic maths, but yes, I have few little bit information regarding Vedic maths which I can share it with you all if you all are interested in the, like, I'll have a separate class for the Vedic maths thing, okay, because it would help you out in doing the calculations very effectively and very easily. So those of you who wish to attend that particular lecture, you can let me know. I'll arrange a class for you all for the same, okay, because Vedic maths helps to save time for us, first thing, and second thing, Vedic maths helps us to calculate very fast, like, and there are lesser or almost zero chances of any kind of mistake in that, okay. But I'm telling you, I do not have complete information regarding it. Whatever information, whatever limited information or knowledge I have, I'll be more than happy to share it with you, okay. In one other class, like, I'll have a separate class for that, okay. So this was about for this question and this type of concept. Please remember this concept, it's very important. Next question, this one is done. Next question, you need to find out the missing number, okay. So you need to find out which particular number would be coming over here. 4 of the combinations are given. For 3 of them, like, how to solve this question, you need to find out what is the relationship between the 3 numbers given to you, and then you can solve it out easily, okay. Give it a try, then we'll solve out together. Done, everyone? Very good. Everyone solve the question. Then we'll solve it out together. It's a simple one, okay? Only one of you has marked the answer till now. Others also, please mark the answer for this question. Okay, some of you are marking the answer as A, some of you are marking the answer as B. Let's give it a try. So, see, the question is saying that you are given 4 of these arrangements and you need to find out what will be the question mark, what is the missing figure, what is the missing number over here. If you observe carefully, all these are Pythagoras triplets. Okay, what are Pythagoras triplets? So Pythagoras triplets are that when the square of one number is equal to the square of summation of square of other two numbers. So when sum of 1 is equal to square of sum of other two. For example, 13 square is 169, 12 square is 144 and 5 square is 25, right? When you add 144 and 25, you will get 169. Same is applicable in the first and the third one as well. So when you look into the fourth one, so 41 square is equal to 40 square, and let's consider this particular point as x. So plus x square, you need to find the value of x. So x square will be equal to 41 square minus 40 square. So what is 41 square? 41 square is equal to 1681. So it is equal to 1681 minus 1600 equal to x square. So x square is equal to 81. X is equal to underscore 81, which is equal to 9. So the answer for this particular question is option number 9. If you remember the Pythagoras triplets, you need not to do this complete calculation. You can easily and within a minute write down, not even a minute, within 30 seconds you can mark the answer as option number B. So only 2 of you got the answer correct. I hope the concept is clear to you. This particular combination is the combination of Pythagoras triplets. So we have discussed about what Pythagoras theorem is yesterday. So what is it? When hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Pythagoras triplets are that when the square of one number is equal to summation of square of other two numbers. Okay, is this concept clear to all of you? I have taken up very different concepts today, and in the further subsequent classes I'll be taking up different concepts only. So please make sure you're joining on daily basis. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Clear? Please make sure that you're keeping a note of all these pointers, all these things in your notebook as well, right? Next question for you all. The question is saying that when Ramesh was at the age of 8-year-old, he hammered a nail into the large tree to mark his height, right? If the tree grows 2 centimeter per year, how much higher would the nail be after 5 years? So consider, this is tree, this is Ramesh. He has marked a nail over here. This was his height initially. So when he was 8 years old. Question is asking, when he is after 5 years, when he comes back, he would see the nail at which particular point? This is the question. So give it a try to this question, everyone. This one is a general science question. Okay. New students joining in our class, please make sure that you are checking out the other classes also. We have our application also. So those of you who are new to our class, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, you download our application and also explore our complete website. Very good, very good. General science question. The question is saying, when he was 8 years of age, he hammered a nail in the tree. After 5 years, where the nail would be, it would not be going anywhere. It would stay at the same area. It would be not going even an inch or even a millicentimeter higher. It would be 0 centimeter higher. Very good. Answer for this question is option number B. Okay, remember about this everyone. I hope the question is clear and all of you got the answer correct, then it is clear for sure. Now next question. Now this one is bit of chemistry wala. Okay, question is the molar fraction of hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. It is an extremely dilute aqueous solution. In an extremely dilute aqueous solution is doubled. So the pH of the resulting solution will be which of the following? 4 options in front of you. Give it a try to this question everyone. Very good, excellent. Everyone, give it a try. Very good. So, the answer for this question is yes, option number D. So, the molar fraction of the hydrochloric acid in an extremely dilute solution is doubled. So, the pH will be getting reduced. Reduced means it would turn into the acidic solution, right? Answer would be option number D. That is, it gets reduced. Very good. Almost all of you got the answer correct, right? One more question for you all. Question is saying 5 people are there. You have A, B, C, D and E, right? They are sitting in a row. C is in the middle of the group, D is at the extreme end, and there need to be at least 2 people between B and E. Then you need to find out which of the following statements is correct. Now this is an analytical question, okay? Analysis based question. Give it a try to this particular question everyone. Done, everyone? Let's give it a try to this question. This one is an interesting question. So see, the question is saying that there are 5 people, A, B, C, D, E. E is sitting in the middle, okay? So E is always in the middle, right? 2 people would be here, 2 would be here, because there are in total 5. Next it is saying D is at the extreme end. Now D could be on the extreme end of here, or D could be at this place as well, right? It could be anywhere around. Then it is saying between B and E there need to be at least 2 people in the middle. So between B and E there need to be 2 people. What does this particular thing means? For this, if B is over here, then E can be 1, 2, E can be over here. Then if B is over here, let's say E can be 1, 2 over here. B cannot be over here because in the middle C for sure have to be there, because that is the one condition. In addition, B can be at this place as well. We can make one more option, placing B over here. If we are placing B over here, then E would be over here, 2 positions, right? These are the only conditions possible, right? So A can be over here, or here. So this is the first case, second case and the third case. These are the only 3 possible cases in the entire scenario. First one is saying E can be on the extreme left. Yes, this is correct. We have got this condition. Second is saying E can be of extreme right. E can be on the extreme right as well. This one is also correct. Then A cannot be on the extreme left. This statement is also correct, because A can never be on the extreme right. This statement is for sure correct. So this option is, you need to find out the incorrect option. Okay. So fourth option is saying A is always the neighbor of B or D. Look over here in the first case, okay, it is the neighbor of B. In the third case, it is not the neighbor of B. In the second case also, it is not the neighbor of B, right? So D option is incorrect, and the correct answer for this question is option number D itself. Okay, only one of you got the answer correct, and that is Madhusmita. Very good, Madhusmita. You got the answer correct for this, and all the other people who have written down the answer as option number C, you should observe, like, there are 3 conditions possible. For these type of questions, always remember, you have to analyze it very properly, and you have to make sure that you are keeping all the possible conditions at your analytical thing, okay, and then only you can get to the correct answer. Clear, everyone? Is this concept clear to you now? Clear? Very good. So Madhusmita, very good, you got the answer correct, right? And all the other students, I'm expecting now your concept is clear for this as well, right? So this was about for this particular question video. Thank you so much for joining in. If you find these videos interesting, if you find these videos helpful, please make sure that you are downloading our application, hitting the subscribe button, and also joining us in the enrolled courses, where you can get the best courses in the minimum prices possible. Okay, so this was about for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone. Take care.